Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get more traffic from Flipboard app from your phone. Let's get started. First, open your Flipboard app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. When you are on your home page, tap the profile icon on the bottom right. Make sure your profile looks professional. Add your name, bio and website link. This helps build trust when people visit your magazine. Now tap create magazine or new magazine. Give it a clear name like fitness tips, online business hacks or your YouTube channel. Keep it focused on one topic people search for. This helps Flipboard show your magazine to the right audience. Now it's time to drive traffic. Tap the plus icon or add post. Paste your own blog post, YouTube videos or product page link. Add a short description and choose the magazine. When people read your magazine, they will see and click your links, and that's your traffic. Post content daily or weekly. Mix your own content with trending articles so your magazine stays active. And that's how you get traffic from the Flipboard mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.